Next is locomotion in vertebrates. All vertebrates have an internal skeleton made up of bone or some tough elastic body parts called cartilage. Water animals like rayfish and shark do not have any bones. Their skeleton is entirely made up of cartilage. Animals like frog, crocodile, lizard, fish, dolphins, whales, birds, rats, monkeys, and humans are all vertebrates that have both bones and cartilage. First, we will see locomotion in fish. Observe the image of fish and a boat. Find the similarity in their shape and their body movement in water. How does an aeroplane fly in the sky easily? It has a streamlined shape that helps it in the moving faster in the air. Similarly, fishes have streamlined body. Their head and tail are narrow, but the middle portion of the body is broader. This body shape also helps them to cut through water to swim easily. Due to streamlined body shape, water can flow easily around their body to help them move in water. Fish have fins and flexible backbone covered with strong muscles, which helps them to swim. Most of the fish have special body structure called swim bladder that is filled with air. It is present in the upper part of the body. With the change in the amount of air in the swim bladder, fish can move up and down in the water. Fish swim and maintain balance with the help of their fins. They flap their tails in a zigzag pattern to move in the right direction. They also use tails to change the direction in the water. Some fishes swim by bending their upper part of the body to one side and flapping the lower part, that is tail, to other side. Next is locomotion in birds. All birds can walk, run and hop on the ground. Some birds like duck and swans can also swim. Most birds are also capable of flying. The internal and external body structure are designed in such a way that it helps them to fly. Like fish, their body also has streamlined shape. It helps them to cut through air and move ahead without any resistance. They have hollow bones that makes their body light-weighted. Their forelimbs are modified to form wings for flying. The strong wings provide them continuous flow of energy to fly easily. The breastbone are modified to support powerful chest muscles that helps them to flap their wings during the flight. Their claws, part of hind limbs, helps them to perch on the tree branches and walk on variety of surfaces. Their tail helps them to change the direction during flight and act as a brake to stop the flight. When wings are moved down and forward, the body is lifted in the air. This is called downstroke movement. After every downstroke, wings are lifted upward in preparation for another downstroke. This upward movement of wings is called upstroke. Next is locomotion in snakes. Snakes do not have limbs, legs, and hands to walk or wings to fly. They use their whole body and move by slithering on the ground. A long backbone with powerful muscles and numerous scales on their body helps them to slither. Many thin and powerful muscles are connected to their backbone, ribs, and skin. A snake's body curves into many loops. These loops helps the snake to push its body against the ground in order to move forward. The more the number of loops, the more the distance it covers. Loops helps the snake move very fast and in the wave-like pattern. Next is locomotion in human beings. Human beings can do various types of locomotions such as walking, running, jumping, swimming. At the same time, they also do other types of movements like eating, laughing, writing, speaking, and breathing. All these movements take place with the help of bones and muscles. Human beings have bones and muscles inside the body. This is called endoskeleton. Endo means inside, skeleton means supportive framework. The bone and muscles together help our body to do various types of movements. Next one is the skeletal. Your body has a number of soft parts. It is necessary to have a framework supporting these parts. Otherwise, the body will collapse. This framework is provided by bones and is called the skeleton. It gives shape and strength to the body and protects the soft inner organ of your body. Tell me names of internal soft organs. Very good. Heart, lungs, and kidney. How many bones do you have? Feel the bones in your finger and ribs and try counting them. Do newly born babies and adults have same number of bones? No. As newborn baby, we have 350 bones, but adults have 206 bones. As we grow, some of the bones join together and the number of bones gradually becomes less. The skull is the bony structure that surrounds and protects your brain. There are 22 bones in the skull. All the bones are fixed, not movable, except the lower jaw bone. It is the movement of the lower jaw that help us to eat and to speak. The fixed bone is in the skull protects the most important organ, that is brain.